Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm Day. Hey everybody, we're back for you new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, we haven't had Boxycharm in a few months. We canceled it because honestly, it was just crap. And then we were moving, so I'm like, I'll just hold off. And once we get settled in, I'll start it again. So we did start it again. Okay, so the first thing we see is Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisturizing Toner. It is a milk toner. This is from Glow Oasis and it actually retails for $34. It feels pretty heavy duty. Give thirsty skin a drink of dew milk. This toner meets moisturizer, features a blend of apricot blah blah blah, soy blah blah blah, perfect energy boost needed, revitalizing dull skin, blah blah blah. Let's see what it looks like. So we did take a peek into this box, but we haven't actually looked at anything. Glass bottle, it looks milky. It looks very like, what is it, 1% milk or something? Oh, it's a screw top. So this has one of those little circle things and you dab it onto a cotton round or something. I like to put mine into a mister bottle and it evenly mists it all and you don't have to waste cotton rounds or anything. I'll link the mister bottles that I have below because I absolutely adore them. Let's carry on though. Okay, we have a face. Is this a face thing? No, we have a hair mask. Coconut and fig hair mask. Should we smell this thing? We didn't smell it. Let's smell it. I wonder if it's gonna have a scent. Because now I'm looking at that and I'm like, okay, is this gonna smell like coconut and fig? Although I don't know what figs smell like, but I do like fig Newtons. Oh, so this has like a pusher thing. No smell. I can't smell anything. Okay, let's smell this one. I feel like it's gonna have a, oh, it didn't have a metal thing over it. Is this closed? Yeah, it's closed there. It has a coconutty scent. Let's feel the texture. Feels like conditioner. Just feels like a conditioner. So this retails for $16.95. Super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and mora butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. So I don't know. It says it's a must-have, moisturized, shiny, blah blah blah. We'll try it out and see how that works. Okay, next we have this from Pretty Vulgar. We've seen this brand at TJ Maxx often. This is a matte lipstick and gloss duo. I feel like the price that it's gonna say on here is going to be a lot more than what you could find something like this for at TJ Maxx. Let's see. $30. $30 for this duo. No. I'm not even gonna read it because it's a matte lipstick and a gloss, so that should be self-explanatory. This is a color that I'm never gonna wear. It doesn't fade into my skin, but it's just not a color I'd wear. It's kind of like a burnt red and then a clear gloss. I'm gonna save this. I'll probably put it in a giveaway or sell it on Poshmark with something else as a bundle. I'll link my Poshmark below so y'all can check that out if you want to. Okay, well then we have this. So we might just make these two things a little thing on Poshmark because I don't use lashes. Let's see, these are Monarch Lash Pack. You get 2 sets and then a eyelash applicator thing. This retails for $40. How? I mean, they're pretty. I'm not gonna lie. These are very, very pretty, but $40? Where do they come up with these prices? The last thing we have is from Cover FX. This retails for $42. It is a custom enhanced palette. I believe I opened this. I think it's a face palette.
Your face palette.
I have something that has similar packaging to this that I got from Cover FX. Let's see.
Mama.
Yeah, it's a face palette. Also, I don't know. I feel like this is not necessarily...
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's not something I would necessarily use. I'll swatch it. I might use the highlighter, but the blush probably not. I don't really do sparkly blushes because it just enhances my pores and I have very big pores as it is. Let's swatch it. So that's what that looks like compared to this. You want this, Coco?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I love it.
You love it? You can have it. Okay, let's swatch it. I mean, that's gorgeous. So this is the bronzer. It would work as a highlighter for me. This is the highlighter and then this one is the blush. Right? Let me see. How to use. Use a small tapered brush or fingertip applied to high points of the face, such as cheekbone. Okay, so all of this is supposed to be highlighters? Okay, either way, I'm not one for pink highlighters. These two would be pretty, but I already gave it to Coco, so I can't really take it back.
I need to use one.
You like it? If you like it, you can keep it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess I'm not getting that back. Because I was thinking that top one was a bronzer, but that's because I'm stupid. Okay, and then also we did do like one add-on or like got something from the shop, and I did get the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. I was looking because I was like, oh, I need to make sure I'm signed up for the Boxy Luxe, but this was one of the things you would be getting in Boxy Luxe, and I'm like, well, I already got it, so I'm not gonna get Boxy Luxe whenever the next one comes out because I did purchase this one already. She's very pretty. I actually have a few of these. My ring's crooked and has something stuck in it, y'all. What the hell? Sidetracked. She's gorgeous. Should I swatch her? I don't want to ruin her. Let's swatch her. Creamy. Those mattes are so freaking creamy. And the shimmers are life. So that's those. And then we have one more. Oh my, she's beautiful. Oh, together, gorgeous.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Oh my God, I literally cannot. Oh, get the palette. I think I got this for like $13 or something. So I'm like, why would I spend $50 on Luxe when that's one of the main things that you would get? And if I got one of the other ones, I would not be like, I would rather get that. And I already got it. So why would I spend the 50? Ooh, why would I spend the $50? This is gorgeous. This is absolutely, it's gorgeous. I'm at a loss of words. It's so beautiful. Look at the color story is me. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? Let me look in the mirror. Yes, you see it. Let me move my, you see it? You see that? You see it. It's beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna play with this. I'm gonna play with it. Okay, she's beautiful. This is like the shortest Boxycharm ever. Like literally in life, but I'm glad that we're back at it. I'm super excited to be getting my boxes again. I do have Ipsy coming in. If you want to sign up, I will link the Boxycharm site and everything. I think I don't get a commission, but I get some kind of points or something to be able to get stuff if you want to sign up under my link. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.
Bye.
Good job, Coco. Good job.
I'm going to do some lipstick.
You're gonna get some lipstick. Are you happy that we're doing Boxycharm again?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
Again?
Yeah.
Well, we have a TJ Maxx video to film the intro and outro next. So we're not really done filming. Okay?
Okay.
Inky. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good. Ooh, that looks good. You ready?
Yeah.
Good. Wait, my hair is messed up.
Look, open it.
Yes, let's open it, Coco. Put it on, there's an airplane going by. That's not ideal. Wait for it to be gone. It's not going anywhere. Okay, it's gone.
Mama, I know mine.
You smell it?
Mama, look at my hair.
Oh, wow.
So good.
So cool.
I'm gonna wipe it off.
Okay, here you go.
No.
Okay. So this retails, that's my beauty.
Mama, I'm using your buns.
Yeah, you're using my sponge, I see.
Because I want to use your buns
You
all
want to?
day long.
All along. Okay, that's fine.